Hello everyone. Today I'm going to take you step by step on how to use Google Translate. My name is Oboe Lawrence. If you want to use Google Translate, you come here to Google Chrome, you click on it, and when it opens, you go direct to your Gmail account. When you click on Gmail account, you come on the right hand here, you will get these other Google apps. Then you click on it, it will when it opens you come to Google Translate. So this Google Translate application here is very important. It helps in translation of languages. Now, like here, English, you can translate it to Uganda, you can translate any language to any language. So you should not be just confused in case you reach where there are people who does not talk in your language. You have to translate so that you can understand what is going on. So I've used this just as for demonstration. So you should also know the use of this translate and pattern. So don't go somewhere and you get confused. Remember to like my video.